Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Nayan Creators, and today I am again back with an amazing toy, and you can know and see that is the Speed Classic Model Sports Car Series, and it is a model car. It is a RC model car of Ferrari. So let us unbox it and see what features it have. So let us see about the functions of it. Our first function is it is radio control, means RC. Then it can go forward, it can go backward, it can turn left, it can turn right, and it can stop in any situation if it is going in high speed, and it can stop easily. So now let us unbox it. First we got our remote controller, in which I have put the battery first of all, and how many batteries are required I will show you by removing once more. We need 2 batteries in this. And our second thing is our car. We don't need many things like charger. It is a battery operated car, we no need to charge it. Now I will show you how much cells does this car require. The car requires 3 cells. 1, 2, 3. I will again put the back cover in it. And to on this car you have a on off switch. Now I will do a test of the car. So how do you like this amazing car? If you liked it, give a like, and tata, take care, thanks for watching.